A long time ago, a rooster was scratching the ground. Suddenly he found a diamond. At first he pleased to see the shining diamond. He wondered how he must go about it, but when he hit it, he found it too hard. He couldn't eat it. Looking at the jewel, he thought, "This gem may be very costly, but to me, it is a single grain of corn, which is more useful than all the world's jewels." He kept it on the ground and again began searching for his food. Moral: no matter how expensive gem might be, it cannot take the place of food.